Hello, Tubies, and how are you all doing? I'm holding the camera today. My hair is like a mess, so I'm hiding it. I'm hiding it away from you. But today on my channel, only on my channel, it's exclusive. Nobody else has done this and nobody else has this. Lots of demonetization. I really, really hate YouTube right now. Just really, really hate YouTube. But we're going to talk about cleansing your space and what that looks like today. Okay, we're not going to worry about what YouTube's doing because YouTube don't matter. As long as I can still upload, who cares? So, but we are going to try and keep this, more kid-friendly because, my videos aren't intended for children. I don't know where I'm supposed to be looking on this thing. I've never held my camera before. It's always been on a tripod of some kind, so apologies. But anyways, what we're gonna do today, and I know the camera's shaky, I apologize. I just woke up. I'm like half asleep. And like, you have to forgive Elsa. Queen Elsa. Hashtag Queen Elsa in the comments. Hashtag Queen Elsa. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cleanse this space because there's lots of, oh look, there's all of my herbs, and my altar. But we're gonna cleanse the space. But what I'm gonna do, let me flip the camera around. Are we focusing? Are we focusing on me? Are we focusing on the Queen? Queen Elsa? What we're gonna do first is I'm gonna skip to the cleansing part. So I'm gonna do all the cleaning aspect of it, and then just before I vacuum, I'm gonna bring you back and I'm going to demonstrate to you how I personally cleanse my space. And if you wanna prepare to cleanse your space with me, all you need is the following item. Sage stick. Love the smell of sage sticks. It can be of any type of, like this is Yerba Santa, I believe it is. So, I mean, any kind of herb that you've got rolled up in a bundle, you can use for cleansing your space. You can also use resins. Excuse me? Excuse me? I am trying to record a video out here. Jesus. Anyways. Hi. So you're just gonna need some kind of incense or sage stick or whatever you have to cleanse your space. Even if it's just kitchen spices, you can put some kitchen spices on a coal that you find cleansing and clearing and all of that fun stuff. Okay? So I'll be right back with you guys once I get to the cleansing stage, okay? What you doing? What you doing? What's going on, baby? My meal squeaks. You're very noisy and I'm trying to record a video, okay? Very noisy. Okay, we're back, and hopefully the outside world today is gonna be less of a mean person to me. Again, I have no idea where I'm supposed to be looking on this thing. I look at the screen, I look at them. Oh, wait, that's too dark, can't see me. Okay, so we're ready. We've got, let me show you, let me turn the camera around, let me show you, girl, let me show you. Okay, so we've got all this stuff picked up, great, and the cat boxes are clean, and the dishwasher is running, and the altar is clean, and everything else is clean, clean. So now we need to cleanse this space. So we grab our trusty sage stick. I always use white sage. You can use anything that you want to cleanse your space. But I'm just gonna place this down in here so I can light it. Now, I always sage my place before I vacuum because any ashes that fall can be vacuumed up. Now, it depends how smoky you want your sage. You can have it pretty smoky, you can not have it pretty smoky, whatever the case is. But you're just gonna go around, you're just gonna cleanse. See, this is where I work all day. All day. We've got my work music going. Not now because we don't want copyright strikes. And we're just gonna cleanse the space. Make sure if you have a desk, cleanse under the space. Solitary taught me that. And for me, I love to cleanse inside the cat boxes. You know, really get in there. They're clean litter boxes, like whatever. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go around here and we're gonna go around the outside of the door. And we're just gonna make a big square. And then in the center, we're gonna do our pentagram and knock on it 3 times and boom, done. Now we gotta move quickly because this smoke is starting to build up. But we're just gonna cleanse around everything. Now when it comes to the altar, we're just gonna cleanse around it, but don't forget, do under the altar, right? And then we're just gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do our pentagram, circle, knock on it 3 times. Oh, what am I stepping in? Oh my god, I'm stepping in cat litter. I'm telling ya. And we're gonna do the door. We're gonna do the same thing with the door that we did before. We're just gonna go around the outside of it. Okay. All the way down, and then we're gonna do our pentagram right in the center, circle around it. This is not like protection magic. This is just keep anything negative away, keep it out, get rid of it. Like, this isn't gonna do you any good against a real witch, okay? Like, let's be real. If there was a witch who was throwing magic at you, and this is all you did, you would be screwed. Now the sage is starting to get really smoky, so we're gonna do the bathroom, We cleaned that yesterday. Now we're gonna do the bedroom. This is where I do my live chats. This is the most important space for me to cleanse, especially when I'm dealing with entities and spirits. You know, I don't want them screwing around with me, and then we gotta do the same thing here. Oh, gotta be careful of those embers. You know, pay attention when you're doing this type of thing with your sage. We'll do that again, because I don't think you saw it. So we do our pentagram. Okay, it's really hard to do this with one hand. Ow, with one hand. Okay, so we've cleansed the space. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cleanse ourself. So we just go around, just like you would scrub yourself in the tub. Ooh, get down there. Sage, all those nasty bits. Okay, and then we're just gonna put it back into here. I don't know what you guys can see and what you can't see. Put it back into here, really. Yeah, right like that. You like that? Yeah? And done. Okay, and now we're gonna vacuum, and then I'll bring you guys back for the third part, where we infuse our place with the intentions and the energy that we want. The outside world is, you're very noisy and I'm trying to make a video. Go away, go, 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 go. Okay, so we're back. Are you going in there? Are you going in there? What are you doing? No, he didn't like that. Okay. So we've saged the place. We've cleansed the space of negativity. I do this every week, once a week. And now we need to fill the space with our own energy. That's ash. That's what we care about. I need new altar cloths. Somebody send me altar cloths as love mail. Find my address down below in the comment section. Just kidding. Okay. So you know how we do this. We light this up. Now we've got some incense here. We got the incense we made yesterday. Be very careful with this incense because I realized a little too late that it's a very smoky incense. Then, if I can find a way to open this, so we're just gonna sit here, put this between our legs because we're only one person with one hand because the other hand is busy. That sounds inappropriate, but it's busy with the camera. And we're just gonna put some of this original 3 on there. So if you're not familiar with this incense, check out yesterday's earth-based incense. And this incense is the original 3. It's just patchouli, red sandalwood, and peppermint. I have a video coming on this later. And we just let this burn, and we let the smoke fill the area. And that's basically it. That's how I cleanse my space. So I hope you all enjoyed today's little cleansing of the space. Let's hope YouTube figures things out and doesn't demonetize this video like it did last night's video. Yeah, that's right. just likes to demonetize everything. But anyways, I have another video that I want to do today, and I will get to it, and then we will put both of these videos out. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this particular video on how to cleanse your space, and I hope that I have, I don't know, shared a bit more of my craft or taught you something new. Just keep in mind that if you plan to just sage your space like I did and then burn some incense like I did, that's not protection. That's just removing any energy, okay? And remember that sage won't always work. Not every entity, not every spirit, not everything will react nicely to sage. Some things it will just make them really, really mad. And then you'll have all kinds of issues. But for me, sage does the job. It cleanses the space. It traps things from, that's why we did the thing around the door, right? We did the thing around the door. We're trying to trap the energy out, and we want to keep it in. Keep our energy in. Keep our energy in the place, push out the negativity energy, and keep it trapped outside. Okay? But, again, because this is social media, any witch worth their salt can easily get past all of that. Like, even a witch who just started yesterday could probably get past that. So you have to make sure that you do your own types of protection magics. As I've talked about before, I don't really do any types of protection magics because I just don't care. Like, who has time to come after me? Nobody. So, until next time, my fabulous little tubies. Hello? What's he doing? What's he doing? Where you going? Come back here!